Today I'm going to discuss about the database programming in Java. So here we are having 5 steps to connect any Java application with the database using JDBC. These are the steps as follows. First one is register the driver class. We are going to register the driver class, then create the connections, then create a statement, then execute queries and closing the connections. See this driver connection, register driver, get connections, select statement, create statement and execute queries and close connections. First one is register the driver class. So use the class.forName method to dynamically load the driver class. Since JDBC 4.0, this step is optional if the drivers just flag this in the class path. So that class.forName. So for this is just example, class.forName of com.mysql.cj.jdbc.driver. So syntax for name is public static void name for name of string class name throws class not found exception. So create the connection object. Use the driver manager dot get connections method to establish a connection with the database. So connection con equal to driver manager dot get connection of JDBC colon MySQL slash localhost colon 3306 your database username password. So creates a statement object. So using the connection dot create statement method to create a statement object for using executing the SQL queries. The statement SMT equal to STMT equal to con dot create statement. Execute the query. Use the statement dot execute query method to execute the query and retrieve the results in the result set object. Result set RS equal to statement dot execute query from select star from your table. Close the connections. Use the connection dot close method to close the connection, which also closes the statement and result set object. So con dot close. These steps will help you to establish the connection to a database and perform operations using JDBC in options. So steps to connect the Java application to the database. So below are the steps that explain how to connect the database in Java. Importing the packages, load the drivers using for name method, register the drivers using the driver managers, establish the connections using the connection class object, using the connections using the connection object, create a statement, execute the query and close the connections. So see this the pictorial graph importing the packages. So the loading the database drivers. So that is loading the database drivers driver manager a dot class for dot a dot for name of. So connection is b dot get connection of. Then the third one is connection the create statement of. So the create statement of. Then after that the three will be connection statement will be closed. 5 4 be insert delete update operations executed. Result set data and 5 close. So here the example is see this example. How to insert data into a database with the MySQL create database. See this MySQL way to create data table insert demo int id equal to int name equal to varchar age equal to int. So this one is we having a database as id name and age. So driver manager result sets SQL exceptions connections prepared statements. So public class Java insert demo connection con equal to null statement SMT equal to null. Try for dot class dot for name of this one com dot mysql dot jdbc dot driver close parenthesis system dot outer parenthesis of e con equal to connection driver manager dot get connection of this one jdbc and mysql is system dot outer connection is created successfully. Statement equal to statement dot con create statement. There's string query one equal to insert demo plus values of 1 comma John comma 34. So statement dot execute update of query one. So query one equal to insert demo of values 2, Carol or 42. So two values going to be inserted. Statement that execute program element. System record is inserted into table successfully. So catch successfully exception finally trying catch to system dot output. So here is the output is so connection is record successfully, record inserted in the table successfully. Please click in the MySQL table. Check in the MySQL table. So here is it select start from insert demo. So in the MySQL ID name age 1 John 34 Carol 42 to insert. Thank you.